Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we reset our Wi-Fi setting in a Tecno mobile. Guys, you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting in your Tecno phone. So then how can you reset in this video friends? I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon guys. So guys, now let's see how to reset Wi-Fi setting in Tecno phone guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting. So after on phone setting guys, we will scroll it and hence you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So how can you reset your Wi-Fi setting? Guys, click on your phone system while last one setting guys, tap here. Guys, click on your reset option setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your reset setting. So guys, click on your first one reset setting. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi reset setting guys. We will tap here to reset. After that guys, you can see confirm your pattern. So you have any guys pattern lock, as you have your pin lock, and as you have your name password. So we will have to enter our password, and as you have your pattern, so I draw your pattern, and as click on with the reset setting, tap here to wait, and as you can see setting has been resetted. So your Wi-Fi setting has reset, and as you can use your Wi-Fi setting in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye.